on the side. On the side over here. Get the camera on the side.
Hey.
Over here, shine it. Yeah, right there. How do you...
What?
Oh, you're recording that?
Yes.
Stop.
It's too much.
A little bit higher. Yeah.
Is it coming out?
It's coming as soon as you can. We hold it like that so you hold the phone. Go fast. It gets tiring, isn't it?
Hold it under. Maybe. Come on. More. Yeah, right there.
Maybe the light's stopping it.
Nah, it's not stopping. You gotta move the light up.
Right there?
To his face. To more, yeah, like right there, right there, right there. A little bit down. Down. Too bright. Down. Right there.
Yeah, it's coming out slowly. Yeah, it's coming. See it?
Like 30 minutes.
Ooh, we're gonna be here for 30
Nah.
minutes.
I need like another 5 minutes.
10 minutes away, you think so? There it goes. Just bump. I'll get me smoking. That's the last smoke I'll be smoking.
Down, Mom. Down here. It's too bright.
There is coming out. Yeah. Right here?
No, down. Yeah, right there. Right there.
No, right there?
Yeah.
Stand up straight. It's almost done.
Shine the light towards, like...
Like this. Or like this.
Yeah, right there, right there.
Right there. Yeah, it's coming out.
It's up in that chair.
That is too bright. You can't barely see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. I'll show you. I'll show you.
Remember the house?
But right there.
Oh, okay. I see.
That way you can see the color of it and everything. The light won't be so bright.
Right there?
Right there is that.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
I'm gonna get them on all angles. His wings are already out.
Yeah. Can't see. Is this right there?
He's just looking at me. What is he doing?
Thought you were going to get ready to fly.
Yeah, I know. Not right at his face, no. A little bit, like, towards the shell. Towards the shell.
Right.
Right there. A little bit on the shell. Right there, right there. See?
That's it. It's coming out, ain't it?
I think he got a fall, right? He got the fall.
Mm-hmm.
Where's Terry?
He went to do that tattoo. It's coming out. He missed it.
Put the light down, Mom. Down. No.
Down?
Yeah, right there.
Because it might be hurting him. That's why he can't get down, ain't it?
Yeah.
A lot of cicadas. That's all they be
That we've
going
been
like
here
that.
for 7 minutes.
Damn, it seems longer than that, huh?
Oh, he's moving.
It's moving. There it goes. Ooh. You make a noise. That's how they're born?
That's how they bring you this up.
He had already been like halfway though, right? His head was already out. Just a few minutes that we were gone. There goes, look. Sit.
He's doing crunches.
It's closer.
That's good, yeah, right there.
There it goes.
Maybe he's not doing anything because we're here.
Ain't it? That's good enough, ain't it? You want to take off the light?
Yeah, take off the light.
Because the light might be bothering us. I said the light might be bothering you.
That's enough for right now because I'm tired of recording, but there you have it. Try to come in out of his shell.